Yeah!
Grab your pencil and let's get started.
Yippee!
To get started, we need to draw a wrist, or the part of your arm that leads to your hand. Draw half of a rectangle with the long side along the bottom. There you go. Now, we've got to add some fingers, 5 to be exact. Let's start on the left with the thumb, since we're drawing someone's right hand. From the top of the wrist, draw a gently curved line moving outward and then a straight line upward, just like your thumb. At the top of the thumb, curve the line back inward and downward, a little less than halfway to the wrist. Excellent job! Now, let's add 4 more fingers to complete our hand. From the thumb, add 1, 2, 3 fingers with the same shape as the thumb, just a little longer. You can do this by drawing straight lines for the sides of the fingers and curved tops. For the 4th finger, the pinky, draw a smaller version of the other fingers. Then, at the bottom of the pinky, draw a gently curved line to connect the fingers back to the wrist. We need to add the final touch to our hand, kids, the fingernails. Inside the top of the thumb and each finger, draw a sideways letter D. Great job so far. To really bring our hand to life, it needs some color. Just like the rest of our bodies, everybody's hands are different, so feel free to use whatever colors you want, or follow along with the colors we're using here. The colors we'll use are brown and dark pink. Use the brown color to fill in the wrist, thumb, and fingers.
Yippee!
Easy peasy. Then use dark pink to color in the fingernails. That's it, kids. Give your hand a high five and wave us goodbye.
Goodbye.
Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time. More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channel.